Look at this. OEVANT, however you want to call it, on-demand water heater with propane. So I got this recently, and this is a great addition too. You can see it right behind here. That is correct, or maybe here, for a little portable whirlpool or hot tub, jacuzzi, whatever you want to call it. And this is just a great addition. So the only thing you need is propane. Check. I have it already connected. You need some kind of hose which connects from your water line, just the blue line, to this on-demand water heater, which is this one. Check. Mine is not the best. I do not like that because it's expanding, and I think they're not as good and sturdy as regular hoses. And then, which is included, a hose, but I changed it to another one because I wanted to have a little longer one which is basically holding, correct, this one, which is also included. And then of course this propane line is also included, so you only need propane. And then it highly depends on your water pressure. If you have not sufficient water pressure, you will need a pump. We have enough water pressure here, so no issue whatsoever. Let's turn it on. And oh, by the way, you need some batteries here for the starter. Let's turn on the water. Right now you see nothing, and let me turn on the water here to the handle, and there we go. Right now you can see it's starting instantly. That's where the heat comes out. You might be able to see the flame, well, not a flame, but the heating elements. You can see it's heating up, and you can adjust on the left side the temperature, on the right side the water flow. Depends on if you go higher with the water flow, you might decrease the temperature, vice versa. So that's pretty cool, and it works pretty well. The water is getting hot. We had to reduce it because it was too hot at one point, a couple points, so you can adjust it as you need it, highly depending on your water pressure, and then you can just use this. And nice about this shower head is you can just stop it if you need to, and if you want to continue starting or using it, just hit it. That is pretty good, and you hear it. Maybe you see it. Let's see. But you hear it. So important for your installation that you have enough headroom up there, because that's where the heat is coming out. And you can see we had this on a temporary installation here. We didn't want to screw into the wood behind here, but for the permanent installation we will have this one installed, screwed to the wall, and this will be such a great addition. And if you don't need it anymore, just close your propane, then you close ideally also your water, and then you can just empty the propane. Propane is empty in the line, and that's pretty much it. That's simple. So let me know in the comment section if you would use that, especially in such an off-grid situation maybe. If not, I'm still curious if you would use it. Thanks for watching.